There is no doubt water is a vital resource for farmers in the western half of the U.S., and learning how to manage that resource is becoming more important now than ever. That's why this past year, Fontenelle teamed up with the University of Nebraska as well as John Deere Water to help farmers utilize that limited resource through the Aqua View project. And farmers say this was a huge success.
We've used other sensors in the past. I like the output we get from the Aqua Views, the way the website works and what we can actually see about the water content in the soil is easier to understand, and I think gives us more information.
We only saved 4 weeks this year, but I think had we been familiar with the Aqua View system and just felt more comfortable with it like we will next year, we could have saved 5 or 6 weeks worth of pumping.
And water savings not only means better management of their water, but saving money as well.
Probably maybe 8 days less watering this year, and so I suppose that would, just for fuel alone, would have been about $3,000, which is not all that much, but saving the water is more important to me than the cost savings. I mean, they're both very important, but I want to have this water around for future generations if we can.
You can't just figure the savings on water. You got to figure the savings on just in the fuel and the wear and tear on the system and your labor to go check it every time.
Now, before, some farmers say they would water extra at the beginning or the end as a precautionary measure. But farmers say with Aqua View, it takes the guessing game out of that part of farming.
You know, you've turned your sprinklers on, or you turn the irrigation on the way we used to do it, and you never really thought you could ever shut them off because you didn't know when the next dry spell is coming.
With the Aqua View, I believe it's going to be able to tell us you can shut down now, when before we didn't know whether we could. So we'll know what our water profile is in this ground. So it's a management tool for us.
Farmers say higher yields mean more food produced. And when you think about it, it would be difficult to feed the world on dry land alone. That's one reason farmers appreciate Fontenelle's commitment to conserving water in areas that need it the most.
It fits hand in hand with the seed and with the producers and the growing. It all fits right in. It's more of a total package kind of scenario. It's going to be just like the auto steer on the tractors. You know, when that first came out, we all said we don't need that. We're paying somebody to drive the tractor, and then the next thing you know, it's on everything. Everybody wants it, and this is going to be the same way. Once it's out there, more and more information is given about it, people are going to jump on and they're going to say, you know, I can really use this to help micromanage things faster, easier.
To learn more about Fontenelle's commitment to farmers, visit fontenelle.com.